Good morning, Emirates 30 Yankee Super, descending 8,000, with information, Mike.
Emirates 30 Yankee Super, Alpha runway 24 left, altimeter 2979, proceed direct to Lisdu, intercept the localizer.
Got a Lisdu, intercept localizer 24 left, and altimeter 2979, Emirates 30 Yankee.
Emirates 30 Yankee, descend 7,000.
Descending 7,000, Emirates 30 Yankee. And Emirates 30 Yankee, any speed for us?
Emirates 30 Yankee, speed 220 knots or greater.
220 greater, Emirates 30 Yankee.
Emirates 30 Yankee, descend 4,000.
Descending 4,000, Emirates 30 Yankee.
Emirates 30 Yankee, cross Lisdu at 3,000 or above, and you're cleared Alice approach runway 24 left.
Cross Lisdu 3,000 or above, clear ILS 24 left, Emirates 30 Yankee.
Emirates 30 Yankee, roger, maintain a speed of 160 knots or greater till you're at Kirex.
160 or greater until Kirex, Emirates 30 Yankee. Good morning, Emirates 30 Yankee Super, establish ILS 24 left, 2 K Delta 8.
Emirates 30 Yankee Super, Toronto Tower, thanks for the heads up. Winds are 260, 16 knots, clear land runway 24 left.
Clear line 24 left, Emirates 30 Yankee.
Emirates 30 Yankee, exit Delta 8, turn right onto runway 06 left. Stay with me.
Right Delta 8, and then again right to 06 left runway. Staying with you, Emirates 30 Yankee.
Wind check 260, 15, gusting 21.
Okay.
Emirates 30 Yankee, continue down runway 06 left, exit Charlie 1, left turn Alpha.
Continue down 06 left, Charlie 1 left to Alpha, Emirates 30 Yankee.
Emirates 30 Yankee, contact ground 1219er.
1219, Emirates 30 Yankee, good morning.